Aim of the experiment: to find the focal length of a convex lens by plotting graphs between u and v or between 1 by u and 1 by v. Apparatus required: convex lens, source of light, screen, and meter scale. Principle: for an object placed at a distance u from the optical center of a thin convex lens of focal length f, a real and inverted image is formed on the other side of the lens at a distance v from the optical center. The relation between these distances is 1 by f is equal to 1 by v minus 1 by u. According to the new Cartesian sign convention, u is negative and v is positive. Therefore, the equation takes the following form: for magnitudes of u and v, 1 by f is equal to 1 by v plus 1 by u. In distant object method, rays from any distant object is passed through our convex lens and a clear image of the object is obtained on the screen. Now, the distance between the convex lens and the screen will give the rough focal length for the given lens. In UV method, the distance between the object and the lens is u and the distance between the lens and the image is v. For this experiment, we need a source of light, a convex lens, and a screen where the image of the net connected near the source of light is obtained. Now, lens is kept for a particular object distance u and the screen is adjusted to get a bright, clear image on the screen. Now, the distance between the source and the lens is measured by using a meter scale and is taken as u. And the distance between the lens and the screen is again measured and taken as v. All this can be marked on the observation column. Distance of object from the lens u, distance of image from lens v can be marked. Focal length can be calculated by using the equation f is equal to uv by u plus v. That also can be found out. Also, for drawing the graph, we can calculate 1 by u and 1 by v. That can be marked on the fourth and fifth column respectively. Now the entire process is repeated for another objective distance and the corresponding image distance also can be found out. Again, u, v, focal length 1 by u and 1 by v is found out for different object distance. Now, a graph between the object distance and the image distance is drawn, that is UV graph. Here, according to sign convention, V is positive and U is negative. So, U is marked on the negative x-axis and V on the positive y-axis. So, a model of the graph is given here. Now, at an angle of 45 degree, mark a line and join to the curve, and from that curve draw a perpendicular to y-axis and x-axis. Here one example of UV graph is drawn here. So to the curve, the point is marked as Z and the perpendicular drawn to y-axis, that corresponding point is A, and the other point meets on the x-axis is taken as B. Now, the distance OA and OB can be measured. That corresponds to 2f distance. That means double of the focal length. So, in order to get the focal length, we can use the equation. From the graph, focal length f is equal to OA plus OB by 4, where OA and OB are called as the coordinates at the point where u equal to v. Now, another graph is drawn between 1 by u and 1 by v. Here also, as u is negative, that is corresponds to the negative x coordinate. Now, 1 by v is drawn on the y-axis and 1 by u is on the negative x-axis, and the corresponding points when we mark, we will get a straight line. Now, that straight line will meet at y-axis at one position and x-axis at another one position. That two corresponding distance can be found out. One example for such a graph is shown here. Here at y-axis the point of the straight line meets at A, and at x-axis the point is B. Now, in order to find the focal length, we can use the equation f equal to 2 divided by OA plus OB, where OA and OB are the intercepts on x and y axis respectively. So now we get the focal length of a convex lens by 4 different methods here. First one is the distant object method. Second one is the calculation f equal to uv by u plus v. And third, by drawing the graph between u and v. And finally, the graph between 1 by u and 1 by v.